How to add Visa gift card to DHgate account. Let's get started. Launch your DHgate app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the home page. First, you have to select the items that you want to purchase. So go ahead and select the items and add those items to the cart. I'm going to select few of the items. This one. You just have to click on the item and select the details of the item and then add the item to the cart. Once you are done adding the items to the cart, at the top right corner you will see the cart icon. Click on that. Once you're on the cart page, here you're going to find all the items that you have added to the cart. Now check in for the items that you want to purchase. Then click on checkout option given at the bottom right corner. Once you're on the checkout page, first up you have to provide your shipping address. After you do that, click on the option of payment method. Click on view all. You're going to find different options. In order to add Visa card, click on the option of add a new card. Now here provide the details of your Visa card. First up, go ahead and type in your card number, then type in the expiration date and then type in the CVV. After you provide all the details, you can go ahead and click on done. With that, your Visa card details will be updated as payment method in DHgate account. So this way you can easily add Visa gift card to DHgate account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.